Yo, what is that?
New Jersey's best kept secret, the Pine Barrens. But do you know what roams them? Because the game wardens do, and their job is to keep anybody foolish enough from finding out.
Michael, what are we doing today? I'm so hyped.
Ready?
Your kickstand's down.
I put it up, I guess it fell down. Get out! So this used to be bigger.
Yeah.
But it got really tiny, and supposedly the Jersey Devil was sighted here. We can get on the other side, and then over there, there's a bunch more trails.
Alright. Yeah, it sounds great. We gotta find the Jersey Devil, bro.
There's a trail over there, and it takes you out a bunch of other trails. That's just a shotgun.
Dude.
You got an orange bike, you'll be fine.
Oh. One way to do it. Yeah, I'm fine. Dude, that's one way to fall in an ice puddle. Jersey Devil got my ass. Oh yeah, Mike. 2-stroke life. No more 450s now. Pass me again. Oh no, where am I? Oh my god. That's awesome, man. But it looks like half a television, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels, 1 rim, and a bucket. Dude, this place is so huge. Like, to put it in perspective, you can keep riding like all day, night, week.
You won't believe what we found next.
So that's the NJ Turnpike. And then that tree's huge. Dude, I keep forgetting we're in the Pine Barrens.
I know. We can go back there and explore it. We can go ride through all that if you want.
Yeah, I'll follow you. I kind of want to explore these little off trails.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in that one over there.
Alright. Yo, what is that? Oh, hell no. Bro, that might not be a deer. Dude, this is weird. That's actually crazy, though. Like, I can't show it on video, but that's literally like a mutilated animal. Oh, look at this. The NJ Turnpike. Wow. It's crazy that the Pine Barrens stretch across the whole entire state of New Jersey. This is just one continuous forest. It has over 1 million trees in it, all pine. Wow, this is so amazing.